Strong tailwinds leading Nissan to hike its annual profit forecast yesterday.
Yes, so Nissan had quite bright figures it announced yesterday. It boosted its profit forecast above analyst estimates, and that came off the back of a really strong third quarter. That's October through December. And I think this picture we got from Nissan yesterday really hints at where the auto market and where automakers are at this point in time. Interestingly, on the demand side, everything was really strong. Strong sales, high prices on cars as supply fails to meet demand. And that's leading Nissan to take more profit back on every car that it sells. So that, in addition to weaker yen and slightly lower than forecasted material prices, really helped Nissan boost that profit forecast. That being said, on the production side, it actually really suffered in the recent quarter. In October, November, and December, it actually cut output by double digits from a year earlier as it faces chip shortages. And so I think the COO had a really interesting comment yesterday. Basically, going forward, Nissan's growth is entirely dictated by its production. So the more chips it gets, the more it can grow. So that definitely kind of provides a snapshot of where the market is at right now.
Yeah, exactly, because we are expecting those results from Toyota and Honda as well, right? So what's the forecast there?
Yes, we do have Honda and Toyota earnings coming out later today. That's Wednesday here in Tokyo. And I think given Nissan's outlook yesterday, that definitely casts a brighter mood towards Japanese automakers, especially given that Honda and Toyota have been relatively stronger than Nissan in continuing to produce cars. Especially Toyota in the recently ended quarter was, towards the end of it, producing record numbers of cars. And even though they've faced their own kind of production parebacks due to chip shortages, they've been pretty sturdy on the production side. And then, of course, on the demand side, they're witnessing the same kind of conditions that Nissan is, with strong sales, especially in the U.S., and high car prices. So we are expecting pretty bright forecasts today, and especially, zooming in on Toyota. So its highest ever operating profit was in 2016, fiscal year 2016, for 2.89 trillion yen. And the forecast Toyota gave in November was for 2.8 trillion yen. So any upward revision there would actually be a forecast for its highest ever operating profit. So we'll expect those numbers out later today.